Hi, welcome to this video in which I will install these wind deflectors for the front doors. As you can see, this goes here. I'm not really keen on, I don't like these wind deflectors very much, but I've decided to install on this car. Why? Because it is a hybrid. So since it is a hybrid, it has in the trunk it has a hybrid battery, for which it uses the air from the cabin to cool down. And especially now in the summer, when the car is parked on the sun, it easily goes, the temperature of the interior air easily goes to 50 degrees Celsius and more. And I really like to leave the windows, front windows, just 1 centimeter open so that the really hot air goes out. So this is a little bit problematic, especially if with the summer rain, there can be quickly thunderstorm and anything. So you get rain water inside the car, which is not really perfect. So this is why I've decided to buy these wind deflectors. They are from the DGA company. They look okay. We'll see how it will hold during the time and on the sun, but for now it looks okay. How to install them? As you can see here, they have a double-sided tape, so they need to be sticked to the door, and this should not be a problem. The recommended process also in the manual, in the installation manual, is that you remove this one and only 5 centimeters here, and then you position them first at the back and then at the front, and then when you have it positioned, you just remove the rest of the tape. So I will of course go towards through the recommended installation procedure, and let's start. Of course, first what I did was that I cleaned the surface where the tape will stick. So this is definitely clean, and it is not wet, so that the double-sided tape will really tape, and the wind deflectors will hold on, will not fall off. So first what we need to do is, so what I had a little bit of discussion what to do, because as you can see here, if I put this like this, this is the one possible installation. So I just go through here at the front, but then at the back here it sticks a little bit, let's say around 1 centimeter. It is not covered. So if I go, because this is quite, this is 2 centimeters, it has 2 centimeters, I could go like this, so that the back would be level with the doors, but then the front would be like this. So, and the other option is also, because also this is 2 centimeters, I could install them a little bit down, like this, you see? So that they would be down, but I do not like this. So I have decided to go this route. I will follow this front line, and here at the back it will stay. So if I do it like this, here at the back it will be CCA 1 centimeters not covered area, but this is not a problem, because I think that this, from optical point of view, this is the best. And also I don't want to have this down so that it will obstruct view even more as it is possible, as it is necessary. So I'll just put them up, and here, as you can see, it is around 4 centimeters. So 1 centimeters, if the window will be open, it will be not a problem. Anyway, now I will start with the installation. So first I will take this tape off. This is CCA 5 centimeters. So I will take this off. Take it like this. Okay, looks that it's really sticky. So like this, and yeah, this double-sided tape is really sticky. So I will also just start here if it will be needed, so that just that I have another option too. So like this, and I will put it up so that it will be over, so that I will be able to just unstick later when wind deflector is fixed. And now I definitely need to also do this on the front part. So like this. Okay, so 5, okay, it's a little bit more, but yeah, it will be enough. And now, as I said, I will first do it here, but according to instruction manual, you need to first connect at the back. So I will put this like this, but at the front, let's see, like this is now level with the front doors, as you can see. And here I will go now at the back also to try to level it fine with the doors. So maybe I will open it. No, it doesn't. Yeah, it helps a little bit. So here I think that it is level, and here at the front also. So now I'll push a little bit front and a little bit back, and now I'll just remove the tape. That's it. Perfect. And now I need to level it here so that it is level, and just push this to stick. Okay, I will close the doors, and now I will firmly push this. Okay, it's level, it's completely level, very nice. And this is it. The installation is done. Okay, I will try to push it even more so that it really sticks. And in the instructions there it says that then you need to leave the car for around 12 hours on the sun so that it really sticks and it should be permanently on. So let's see how it looks. Now, well, it doesn't look very bad as I thought that it will, but yeah, I don't like it. I would prefer it without it, but since it will have a useful function, I decided to go for it. So also from this side, it's really nice, as it would be factory fitted. And as you can see, I really tried here to level with the front doors, and I managed it. And then the whole way up, it's really nice, level. Here. And here at the back, there is then 1 centimeter of the, because it is a little bit shorter, but okay, this is not a problem. It just looks like that. It would be better if it would be completely covered, but yeah, that's it. I decided to go this way, and I prefer like this so that it is really flush here at the front. So this is it. Again, I will start at the back. I will peel this off. It really holds. I don't know what kind of double-sided tape they use, but it is really firm. Okay, let me start from this side. Yeah, this should be better. That's it. Let me put this up, and now on the front side also, oh no, first I need to do it also this one at the back and put it up. That's it. And now on the front side, that's it, just a few centimeters, push this on. And now I will start again alignment with at the front with the doors, because I really like to have it flush here with the line. Okay, that's it. And now let's go to the back to align it here nicely. That's it. I think this is it. And yeah, this should be it. Yeah, it's nice flush. And now I will just take this off. That's it. And now I need to push on so that the double-sided tape really sticks. Okay, I'll just do it like this, it will be easier. And that's it. The installation is done. I think that it is fixed, and now I will just leave it for 12 hours on the sun, so that the tape, double-sided tape, will really stick. And now let's go out on the sun so that I show you how it looks from the far away, so that let us see, also me, if this is from the aesthetical point of view still acceptable or it's not nice, or maybe it even improves the shape of the car. And now let me show you how the car looks like with the wind deflectors installed. For now I'm not really sure if I like it or not, but I don't hate it, which is definitely a good thing. So here it is how it looks like. And of course the rear privacy shades also help with the look. So here is the from this point. So it does not really make it much more uglier. So I'm quite happy with this. And now if we look here a little bit closer, yeah, it looks okay. It looks okay. So I will survive. I will survive it. So this was how it looks, and now I will go for a short drive, and I will try to see if there will be less wind buffeting if I drive with the windows open. I don't do this a lot because air conditioning, but just to check for you guys so that we see. As I said, primary reason was that I will be able to leave the car with the windows open, so that the warm air from the inside will be able to go out, and I will not worry about the rain. Okay, so now let me test how this wind deflection works. So now the window is completely closed and it's quiet. It is not heard that any more window noise, but yeah, I'm driving now 90, so it's not really we'll see how it will be with the higher speed. So now I will open a little bit, so I can hear now a little bit of noise, but I don't know if it's less or more than before. Maybe it could be a little bit more, or I don't know, because here the window is trapped, but no, it is not. So I would say that it's basically almost the same. Not really. I'm not driving with the windows open, so this does not it's not important for me. So if I open it now completely, as you can see, the window comes in, but again I cannot give the estimate if there is less wind buffeting or it's the same. So here now it is closed, and now if I go like this, yeah. But anyway, if I open it like this, so definitely there is less wind coming in, and it is open for 2 or 3 centimeters, so it's less wind coming in. So this definitely works, but okay, we'll see if it will be usable also while driving. Mainly it will be used for this, that it will be open for 1 centimeter or less, so that when the car is parked, the hot air will be able to go out, and I will not be afraid that the rain or water will come in. Well, let's unbox this thing. It came in quite large box, so let me just open this and see what's inside. So, so it doesn't fall out. Okay, and this is what we get: two wind deflectors and some, as I can see, some instructions, written instructions. So let me just open one. Okay, and this is one. So let me open like this. Here is also the sign of the company, so a little bit of marketing. And I haven't had them this on my car yet, and it looks like the plastic looks like quite quality. As you can see here, where it is cut, I can see it's not really without any. I can feel the cutting a little bit, but okay, this should not be a problem. And as you can see, they are installed via sticking with the double-sided tape onto the doors. I'll show you later how this went. So this is basically it. Also, let me just see the instructions, if I will get them out. Okay, and basically it's quite easy. You just clean the surface of the doors and then take this out and stick it on and leave the car for 12 hours on the sun, so that the double-sided tape really sticks. Okay, should not be a problem. So let me just show you also the part number for my car. So this is the part number, and this is basically it.